In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Wise account number. If you're using Wise to receive money, knowing exactly where to find your account number for a specific currency is essential. Different currencies in Wise come with their own local details like a bank account number and sort code for the UK, an account and routing number for the US, or an IBAN for the Eurozone. Here's how to see those details clearly and confidently. First, open the Wise app on your mobile device. Make sure you're using the official app from your app store and that you're signed in. If your phone asks for Face ID, fingerprint, or a passcode, that's normal and helps keep your account secure. A strong connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular data, will make the process smoother. Once you're in, head to the home screen. This is the main dashboard that shows your balances and recent activity. In some layouts, it might appear as home at the bottom of the screen. Being on home is important because it's where all of your available currencies are listed. Next, find the currency for which you need the account number. Tap the currency tile such as USD, EUR, or GBP to open it. Remember, each currency has its own unique set of bank details. That means your US dollar details will be different from your Euro details, and so on. If you manage multiple currencies, tapping the correct one ensures you share the right number with the right pair. After you open the currency, you'll see the balance screen. Look for the section that displays your account details. Depending on the currency, the label might appear as account details, bank details, or something similar. This is where your number is shown. For EUR, you'll typically see an IBAN and the bank's BIC. For USD, you'll see an account number and a routing number. For GBP, you'll see an account number and a sort code. Use the copy buttons if available to avoid typos when sharing these details. A few tips to keep things smooth. Only share your account details with trusted senders and always match the currency you share to the currency the sender is paying in. If you don't immediately see details, the app may display a prompt on screen with guidance specific to your profile or region. Refreshing the home screen can help if it looks out of date, and updating the app keeps everything working as expected. That's all you need to view your Wise account number for any currency you hold. Stay organized, double check the currency, and you'll receive payments without confusion.